Hey kids! Have you ever wondered why brushing your teeth is so important? Well, today, let's find out together. Imagine your mouth is a magical kingdom. Your teeth are the happy citizens, and your toothbrush is their best friend. Every morning and every night, your toothbrush visits to keep the kingdom clean and shiny. When you brush your teeth, you're helping to get rid of tiny, invisible monsters called germs and plaque. These sneaky guys can cause cavities and make your teeth sad and sick. But with your trusty toothbrush, you can chase them all away. Here's a fun song to help you remember. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Gently round and round. Keep 'em clean. Keep 'em bright. Make your smile a delight. Remember to use a pea-sized drop of toothpaste. And don't forget to brush all the way to the back where the big teeth live. They need love too. To make brushing extra fun, you can play your favorite song or even make up your own brushing dance. And guess what? If you brush well, the tooth fairy might leave you a special surprise. So, let's make brushing our teeth a super fun habit, twice every day. Brush in the morning to wake up your smile and brush at night to keep the germs away. Remember kids, a happy mouth is a healthy mouth. Keep brushing and keep smiling. Bye-bye for now.